The SrtTrail.txt file in the C, Windows, System32, Logfiles Srt directory is associated with the System File Checker (SFC) utility in Windows. SFC is a tool that helps to scan and repair corrupted system files on your computer. If you're facing the same issue, don't worry, because in this video we're going to show you few methods to fix this issue. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Coming across the error associated with Logfiles Srt SrtTrail.txt on a Windows system can be both perplexing and anxiety-inducing. In essence, this error signals a hindrance preventing your computer from initiating a standard startup. Typically, this error occurred during the automatic repair procedure, an inherent feature in Windows aimed at resolving boot-up complications. The SrtTrail.txt error serves as a manifestation of the system's plea for assistance. It implies that the automatic repair mechanism couldn't independently resolve the underlying issue, prompting the need for further investigation and potential solutions. Now let's move to solution part. The first thing you should check is your hard drive connection to data port. Shut down the system and open back compartment of laptop or CPU. After that, look for cables connected to hard drive is in good condition. After checking all the connection, you're good to go. Turn on your computer and check it. Faulty RAM can also create such types of issue. Here's how to check and clean your system RAM. Shut down the system and open back compartment of laptop or CPU. After that, look for memory sticks and gently remove them and check for any visible damage. It can be also create the issue. After that, simply clean your RAM and refit it and start your system and have a try. The third solution is to run CHKDSK commands in command prompt to check and repair the corrupted system files. Here's how to use CHKDSK utility. In the options screen, select Troubleshoot Advance option and choose Command Prompt. Enter the following command, CHKDSK HF, and then press Enter. Make sure to replace drive letter with the drive letter of your system drive. After the scanning, you can try to reboot the system. Corrupted or damaged system file may cause this Windows System32 Logfiles Srt SrtTrail.txt issue. In this case, you can check and verify Windows system files to make sure they are not corrupted. In the options screen, select Troubleshoot Advance option and choose Command Prompt. Type the following command, SFC scan now, and hit Enter. Wait patiently, now it will scan and fix the system files. If there is no corrupted file found, you can close the window. If it has repaired the corrupted files detected on your system, then restart your computer to take effect. Bootrec commands allows you to fix Windows System32 Logfiles Srt SrtTrail.txt using 3 commands. Open Command Prompt using Windows option menu and navigate to Troubleshoot Advance option and select Command Prompt. After opening Command Prompt, it's time to enter the following commands step by step and hit Enter after entering each command. Bootrec rebuild BCD. This command helps you to solve boot manager is missing error. Bootrec fix MBR. This command helps you to fix any corruption issues in the master boot record file. Bootrec fix boot. This command helps you to write a new boot sector to fix any corruption issues in the Windows. After entering above given command, simply close the command prompt window and restart your system to apply changes. Another method is to change the disk controller mode using BIOS menu. Here's how to modify or change the disk controller mode in BIOS. Restart your computer and keep pressing corresponding BIOS key such as F2, delete key to enter BIOS menu. Navigate to boot section and look for the SATA configuration and change the setting according to requirement. Finally, press F10 to save the new settings and restart your system and check this solution has worked for you or not. If you can't figure out how to fix Windows System32 Logfiles Srt SrtTrail.txt in your computer was fine a few days ago. You can restore your system back to a previous restore point to solve the error. Simply open an option menu screen as previously we've opened. In the option menu, choose Troubleshoot Advance option and finally select System Restore. After opening System Restore window, click on Next and choose desired restore point or a different restore point using date and time. Click the Finish button and follow on-screen instruction to perform System Restore. This method will only work if you have created System Restore point earlier. Now let's move ahead to final solution. If none of the above solution help you out, in such cases 4DDIG Windows Boot Genius is here to help you. 4DDIG Windows Boot Genius is all-in-one Windows repair tool that can help you to fix many errors such as Windows blue, black screen, can't able to boot the computers, automatic repair loop error, reset Windows, resetting local and domain password, recover data from unbootable hard disk, and manage your partition. Now let's see how to resolve Windows System32 Logfiles Srt SrtTrail.txt error using 4DDIG Windows Boot Genius. To solve this error, you need to download and install 4DDIG Windows Boot Genius. Launch the program and connect USB pen drive to the computer. After that, click on Create Boot Disk Now to start burning bootable repair disk. On the next Windows, choose desired operating system and boot disk and click on Next button and finally click on Continue in Warning. Now, wait for 4DDIG Windows Boot Genius to download file and make sure the internet connection is working in good speed. After creating the boot disk, go to old computer that contains Windows System32 Logfiles Srt SrtTrail.txt error to start the booting. Insert the bootable USB drive to old system and turn on the system using power key. Now press and hold the boot key F2 to boot from pen drive. In the next screen, select boot drive and hit enter. Now 4DDIG Windows Boot Genius will open Windows Rescue. It can fix all booting issue including automatic repair loop, Windows not booting, blue screen of death, black screen of death, freezes, and crashes, recover missing boot and restore crashed MBR, corrupt registry, etc. Now click Automated Repair under Smart System Repair to proceed. After that, you have to choose default Windows installation disk that contains error. Simply select it and click on Start Repair. After the repairing process, now you can restart your Windows system to check whether it's working correctly or not. That's how you can use Windows Rescue feature to resolve Windows System32 Logfiles Srt SrtTrail.txt error. Hopefully, you were able to solve this error using the above methods. To fix many errors such as can't able to boot the computers, Windows blue, black screen, reset Windows, resetting local and domain password, recover data from unbootable hard disk, and manage your partition. We strongly recommend to use 4DDIG Windows Boot Genius. Subscribe to our channel if you want more useful tips. See you next time.